Today is finally the day. After 10,000 millennia, I finally get to go fishing. Finally. Let's start. So, first of all, you will need a fishing rod and the other piece, obviously. The next step, you will need some fish bait, like I have. I have many others. I have a goldfish. I have a perch. I don't even know what this fish is. And I have another perch. So we need fish bait, yeah. Then we need your sinkers. They're heavy bolts. Next, we need our floaters. I needed 2 of them. Because why not, I guess. It's necessary that you need 2. So, once you've got all your supplies, we're all ready to go fishing. I'm actually going to go swimming too. But who cares? I'll just go fishing. So, I'll see you when we get to the beach. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. We're on the pier now. So, here we can go catch some fish on that end. As you can see, I have a ginormous fishing rod. It's like taller than me. See? We got the whole ocean out there. That's deeper than you think it is.
It is?